Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I do my barely there makeup look. So this is super timely because we'll be flying to Japan tomorrow, and this is usually the look that I would wear when I go to airports or when I travel. Kasi sobrang no fuss yung makeup look na to, as well as the containers or the makeups that I'll be using in this video. So these products are all travel friendly and they're from Elana Cosmetics. So to prime my face before all the makeup, I'll be using the Elana Flower Power Setting Spray or Face Mist just to hydrate my face. Next, I'm moving on to my magnetic container, which is also from Elana, which contains my multi-purpose color creams as well as my favorite concealer slash foundation, also from Elana. I super love this foundation because it covers up everything on my face, especially when I have pimples or dark spots or even acne marks, or even if hindi ako nakatulog na maayos, so puyat, it really covers up everything. Next, I'll be using a multi-purpose color cream to add color onto my cheeks, and I'm just using a mix of the four that I have on my palette. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my foundation using the foundation in the shade of Hazelnut. Super cute lang container. It's very spill proof and it's very travel friendly. All you need to do is tap off an ample amount of product that you'll be using on your face. So after doing that, I'll be moving on to the inner corners of my eyes. If ever I want to look more awake, the Halo Loose Multi-Purpose Highlighter, and just adding that on the inner corners of my eyes. To finish off, I'll be using a darker shade of the Multi-Purpose Color Cream as a lip color. Sobrang bilis lang i-apply. All you need to do is use your ring finger. The foundation travel kit contains the French Vanilla and Hazelnut Loose Mineral Foundation, as well as the Radiant Loose Mineral Concealer Foundation. You'll also get the Halo Loose Multipurpose Highlighter in this set. The Prime and Set Travel Kit is good for dry to combination skin tone, and this kit contains the DD+CC Primer, the Flower Power Setting Spray, and the Take It Easy Makeup Remover. To refresh my makeup all throughout the day, I usually use the Flower Power Setting Spray or Face Mist. So that's how easy it is to achieve the barely there makeup look. At the very end of the day, of course, you have to remove all your makeup, and I just want to share that the Take It Easy Makeup Remover from Elana works wonders for the skin. All you need to do is just spread it all over your face and just use maybe a towel or a wet wipe and remove all the makeup. Super bilis lang, diba? So I'll be sharing all the products that I used in this video in the information box. So all the complete details will be down there, including the areas wherein you can buy Elana Cosmetics, as well as the full names and prices of the products. You may also use my discount code SAYTRAVEL, which will give you a 300 pesos discount at elanacosmetics.com for a minimum purchase of 1,000 pesos. This code is valid from October 26 to November 10 only. Don't forget to order via the link in the information box. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!